On Pittsburgh's far north side, tucked under the McKees Rocks Bridge, there is an agency that nearly 1 million people rely on every day. This is the Allegheny County Sanitary Authority, ALCOSAN, the clean water agency for most of Allegheny County. Every day, ALCOSAN recycles up to 250 million gallons of mixed stormwater, groundwater, and sewage, cleaning it up and returning it to the Ohio River, cleaner than the river itself is. And we've been doing that since 1959. Over the years, we have upgraded and updated, investing millions in protecting our neighbors as well as our rivers and creating jobs. Above all, our workers have one mission, which they carry out 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, to make our three rivers cleaner. Now we stand on the brink of a new day for our region. Working with our 83 municipal partners and their customers, we are creating a better system. We are working together as a region. We are investing in making the system more efficient throughout the region. And we are committed to having the world-class clean rivers that our city and region deserve. Together, we can make that goal a reality. ALCOSAN.